Hi you guys and welcome to my channel. Here's Captain JQ talking to you, and today we're gonna open some packs. So I hope you guys ready. This is gonna be my first video, so I hope you guys enjoy. So let's get started. This is gonna be my first pack. So let's see what EA has in store for us. And it's popping out. What the heck? Well, that went great. Still, we still have some packs to open. We don't give up that soon. Let's continue. Next pack. And we're hoping for some really nice players, so I hope EA doesn't mind. Well, is this pretty shit? What did I do? Oh yeah, I like the name. Reminds me of someone. Okay, then on to the next pack. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I already have to excuse for my bad English. I just hope you guys keep understanding what I'm saying, and I still believe I'm gonna get better on it. Just keep on watching me. Yeah, that's what I mean. Whew. Let's see what we get next. What is this crazy shit? I believe EA doesn't like me at all. Oh well. Then on to the next pack. I still believe I can get a really nice player in this pack opening. I hope so, or I will grow old. That was really a bad joke. I'm sorry, folks. Well, that's what you get from trying to be funny. Alright. Oh, come on, EA. What's this game you're trying to play with me? Let's get serious. But I'm still not giving up. Okay, let's do this. Let's continue. Let's open up this next pack. You'll see. It's gotta come a good player soon. Okay. Or maybe not. Who would know? Who could figure that out? I can't believe it. I can't get it out of my head. I'm gonna have a good player today. That's what I believe. That's what I'm not gonna give up. Come on, boys and girls. Give me some credit. We gonna do this. And we gonna do it nice. Shit. Shit. And shit. Oh well. Well, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give EA some more credit. Whew. It's not gonna be easy, but still. Let's do it. And we're gonna open. Open it. Oh, this is really Marquinhos. I don't believe it. Oh, and two silver players too. This is awesome. Woo! EA, you're amazing. EA, you're amazing. Just keep up the good work. We keep counting on you to give us that really nice player we wish for. Yes, that's what we want. That really nice player. Okay, next pack. And now, for you, for only those boys and girls, is gonna present a novel. And is the player of the month, of the day, of the pack opening. Yeah, he's the player, he's the man. Next pack. We're finally coming to an end. I still had some little credit, but I believe it's gonna go well. I believe, yes, I believe. Rapiot, no. Oh man. Okay, EA. I know you can give us some good stuff. So please, don't be shy. We aren't shy. We're all comrades. We all love each other. Me and you and me. What this is? Song. So you want me to sing for you? No, I'm not a good singer. Forget it. Okay, next pick. I still have my hopes up. And this is gonna be my last bank. I'm gonna give everything I got into this bank. Oh baby, please, 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 Marcelo. Marcelo. Wow. Okay. Well, that was fun. So, like the other stuff you guys like, and I know you guys do, even this video has to come to an end. So, I hope to see you guys again. So, don't forget to subscribe, like my videos, and keep watching them, because I know you do like them. So, see you later, folks. Peace out!